Hey folks, Adam here. We're checking out this from Entina. Now, as somebody who's reviewed literally dozens of 3D printers, laser engravers, and printers in general, I have to tell you this thing is absolutely fantastic. Now, we may be the premier experts in this field, but we're going to tell you a whole bunch about this, and we were clearly blown away by its performance. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So, as a little proof in the pudding, we love doing 3D printing. In this case, we've got Terry Funk, whose head we printed on an Entina printer. We have Kevin Sullivan. We took a rubber 1980s toy and put his head on it. Then we painted it, of course. We've got, this is the Tonga Kid. And we have gone ahead and 3D printed his head as well to make a very cool action figure. And then the legendary Crazy Man Knievel, also 3D printed thanks to the good folks at Entina. So we've done a lot of printing, and I've got dozens and dozens of examples from Kanokuman to his little friends. And I love painting them, I love printing them. And some of the samples, like the boats, the numbers, and you know what? I was looking for this. I was wondering where that went. This one's gonna be a man called Sting, a WCW wrestler. So we're working on a lot of projects right now, little kitty cats and all sorts, and we got one printing right now, and we'll show you how easy that was to set up. Now, the thing about this lightweight portable printer is that it is the easiest printer to set up on the market. There's nothing difficult about it. Put the filament here, run it in, run this hose down here. We take out the tape and styrofoam and things, connect it to Wi-Fi, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, there is an app that you can use to print straight from your phone. You can print from the TF card as well. You can run it into your computer. I like to either run it from the TF card or print from my phone. It's just so convenient. So you pick the files and you hit publish. Now, they've got everything open sourced and ready to go, and this is actually a very fast device too. Now, when it comes to the spaghetti incident, anyone who's a 3D printer has had a couple spaghetti incidents where the printer starts to lift away from the object. You come back an hour later and you just have this pile of spaghetti. I have literally never had that problem with this printer because they've just advanced the technology so much. Now, this will work with a variety of types and colors of filament, so you can get exactly what you need. And you know what? We've printed so much fun stuff. This is really a delight to work with, particularly with the short setup time being a matter of minutes. The app literally has a preview video that will show you step by step what to do. So you're just like, next, take this tape off. Next, connect to Wi-Fi. Next, print a sample print. It's so easy. Now, this little guy right here, it's fun that you can print things like this. This is a print that actually goes under the feet of your action figures, because sometimes if they lean too much, they fall over. So this levels them for you. You can put it over the front or back feet, back of the feet, and this will make sure that your figures aren't falling over. So that's really cool. So we've been able to print so much fun stuff. We've even got a little pterodactyl here that's kind of hard to see on TV, but we've got a fun little pterodactyl that we printed. So much fun stuff. It's pterodactyl bones, so I got to put the bones back together. There we go. But yeah, if you're looking for something that will not only allow you to customize, whether it's toys, action figures, parts, automotive accessories, whatever it may be. You need a coaster, you need your logo for a business, this will do the business for you. So with that, let me go ahead and show you the interface on the device, one way to go ahead and print. So let's show you that, and then we'll come back here for even more. All right, folks, so the process of starting a new print is really easy. Now, you can print from your Wi-Fi network, from your phone, for example, which is great. Since we are using our phone to record right now, we'll say print from the TF card, which is inserted right there. And we're gonna go ahead and pick out which item on the TF card was the cute ghost, a keychain, a phone holder, etc., a rabbit maybe. So let's go ahead and print some of those out. Very easy peasy. You can go next. So lots of options there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and say we're going to pick the cute ghost. And then we can look at the layer density, the filament, PLA, and print. So it's just that easy. And it starts heating up the bed. We'll show you here. Starts heating the bed, it starts self-adjusting, and this really does the work for you, which is pretty miraculous. You can see it's lowering itself. It auto, there's no leveling, no extra work that you have to do. We put a little glue stick down earlier to make sure it sticks to the surface, but that's just about it. So it's currently going over, making sure the surface is level, figuring that out, and it does all of the work for you, and that's just how easy this thing is. I like the fact that it does the work for you. So yeah, folks, this is a truly fantastic product that connects easily with your internet, easily with your phone, and there's literally thousands of options to print the moment you get it, straight from your phone, straight from the TF card. You have so many different options. You know what you need to do? You need to get to shopping. Folks, my name is Adam, and we've had, again, the opportunity to review dozens and dozens of printers. And this is legitimately the easiest, most straightforward, it's fast, and I've never had any errors in printing. That makes me very happy. It also supports tons of different types of filament, and it just does a great job. So if your question is, should you pick it up? I'm gonna give this a resounding yes. Easy to use, affordable, and you know what? High quality. High quality, a company that stands behind their products. Folks, from my house to yours, this is a lot of fun, and I think you're gonna love it. So folks, go pick one up, and thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Go get one. Oh yeah.